Okay, good evening, Chris.
Hi, good evening.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Sure.
What do you fear most in your life today?
Actually, well, again, okay. The question?
What do you fear most in your life today?
Today, just today.
Yes, yes.
Well, actually,
Yun, no?
the
What?
one thing that I fear about is losing someone I love.
Okay,
It's
okay.
I don't know.
You know.
It's
Okay,
just
next question.
You know.
okay. Next question.
What do you love?
I love many things.
Love,
I
love.
love my parents. Love, right?
Yeah,
What do you love?
love,
Love.
love.
I love my parents, my
Love.
family, my girlfriend. You know
Love.
Daisy,
Ano
right?
ba?
Daisy? Oh,
Yeah, okay, okay. Next question. What
Yes.
makes you laugh?
Makes me laugh. Actually, a lot of things. Like when crazy people do crazy stuff. And
Sorry.
I don't know, transfer mice, stupid mice. Transfer mice, you wanna see transfer mice?
Yeah, can I
Let's
see?
transfer mice, yo.
Yeah,
Look at
you're
that.
not.
There's
You're,
so many.
you're not
Oh,
working
no.
in the office. Also, this guy over
Hey,
here.
hey, hey.
Look, look.
Yeah.
Look, look at what I'm doing. I'm.
What you're doing?
I don't know.
What's that?
Finishing FN.
Oh, you're finishing what site?
Femalenetwork.com.
Oh, you're advertising. No, that's illegal in our filming, huh?
Ah, okay. Sorry.
Let's cut these scenes. Okay, next question. Can you pull out your pocket? Can you see?
Pocket?
Yeah, your wallet.
Oh, you mean my wallet?
Yeah, your wallet.
Sorry, but I don't have wallet. I only have my bag.
Oh,
Here's my bag. You wanna see
you
my
have a
bag?
passport. Okay.
Yeah, passport. My
Passport.
tickets for Singapore.
Oh, you're going to Singapore. Okay.
This is
Good
my
for
bag.
you. Yeah, that's your.
I have my license.
Explain what inside.
License, credit
License,
card,
credit card. Oh, you
fuel
got some
health,
money.
I
What's
don't
that?
know. Ticket for a train from Hong Kong.
Oh, from Hong Kong.
Teen.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, my money's here.
Yeah. Yo, blood. How many is that money?
I don't know. I don't know how to count.
Is this real? Is this true?
Yeah.
Oh, you've got lots of money, huh?
Where'd that come from?
So.
I don't know.
Oh, lots of money. Let's.
Oh, man.
Lots of money. That's lots of money. We will hold up you.
You're a gambler.
Sure.
Yeah, you're a gambler.
Whatever.
So that's all you can answer for these questions.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
can I add something?
Yeah, you can add something. This is for the future. You
For
can
the
say for the
This
future.
video's for the future, right?
Yeah, yeah. What can you say
For
for the
those of you
future?
people watching this video, I don't know.
What?
Just I don't know.
What
Bye-bye.
what can you say for the future?
For the future?
Future programming. Future
You know what I
programming.
think about the future? I think future will be like those so many
Are there
stupid
future?
people.
What?
Stupid people, because
Ah.
the future will be like be on automation, automatic.
Are there
everything
programmers in the
automatic.
future?
No, just robots.
Robots. Yeah. Are you ano?
Sorry?
Are you believing in robots?
Sorry?
You're not included in the video. Sorry. Okay, that's all, and thank you. Bye bye, Chris.
Bye.
Chris, paano to yung ginagawa niya?
Babay na!
Oh.
Ano ba yan?
Hey, stop filming what I'm doing.